Part 14 of fixing the $100 Porsche 944. Now that we've disconnected the transaxle, let's move the torque tube and get to the bell housing. First, we need to pull the torque tube back. Loosen these 4 hangers or break them like I did. Now, let's get into the car to disconnect the shifter from the torque tube. Once the 2 bolts are removed, pull the shift rod out. Next, we need to unbolt the torque tube by removing 4 17mm bolts. Pull the torque tube towards the rear of the car until the spline shaft gear is clear of the bell housing. Rotate the tube 180 degrees, then pull back. Now the fun part. Disconnect the starter, slave cylinder, this shield, ground wires, speed and reference sensors, safety pin, the clutch fork pin, which probably took about 2 hours of slide hammering to get out, remove 4 19mm bolts, and finally we can pop the bell housing off. And be ready to catch that loose clutch fork. Next, we'll assess the damage and order the parts we need. Stay tuned.